I'm very bad at designing thumbnails. Just look, what is this? So I spent the last week learning how to design thumbnails, and I'll tell you how it evolved from this to this. Okay, first things first. Let's download Photoshop. Why Photoshop? Because it's a men's website. The real reason is that I know the basics. I'll use Photobee, which is Photoshop, but free. This has led to some problems. Before starting, I decided I would learn design and then apply it. In my opinion, this is the best way to learn. And my goal is to change the images in my old videos because the pressure ratio is really low. And I don't blame people for that. Well, the first thing I learned was the rule of thirds, which is used by the most famous YouTubers, where they put the most important things in these lines. Then I learned that each color represents a specific feeling. For example, red represents strength and danger. Blue represents wisdom and safety. White represents tranquility and peace. Black represents mystery and elegance. Yellow represents optimism, happiness, and attentiveness. These colors will be used in lighting thumbnails. One of the most important things I learned is that there are 10 types of thumbnails. Note, these are the types I learned, not all the types. I'm going to start changing this picture, and if you didn't know, this is my second favorite picture. The best picture is this one, obviously. Okay, I managed to convert the image from this to this. Listen. I know the image is bad, but I assure you the rest of the images are legendary. On the second day, I decided to ease up on the challenge a bit. Why? Stop saying why!
Dun 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 dun.
Go back to this point in the video and you'll find out. It will be in a simple image style, conveys the feeling to the viewer. Working on it was easy, and this is the result. Remember when I said I was using a browser website called Tobea? The website suddenly crashed. Until I was forced to use Incognito Browser, which is a browser. But hidden? Which was the worst idea. Because my computer is so bad. Anyway, from this to this. In any case, the solution was very simple. I was forced to log out of all my accounts. On the browser, I managed to convert this image to this. Did you know that my computer cannot run a browser application without it freezing? My mouse broke, and I'm struggling to edit this video. I'm struggling just to use this keyboard. That is the truth. I'm really fed up with my tools. So I put a lot of effort into creating Saw Falls, which will be a fantastic 2D game, with falling chainsaws, birds attacking you, and lots of other things. If you want to support me, be sure to subscribe because I'll be uploading more about this game regularly. On the 6th day, I decided to create a before and after image, which is very appealing to viewers and is commonly used in tutorials. I converted this image to this format. It looks good, although I wasn't able to apply the colors perfectly, but it still looks fantastic. Almost the same day as before, but I made 2 photos. The first one is like the one from the previous day, which I consider my best photo so far. I'd like you to tell me in the comments which one you think is the best. The other photo uses the same simple image format. But unlike the first one, this one looks much better. This shows that I've improved since the beginning of the challenge. And by the way, I redesigned the channel's profile picture and made it much better. Finally, learning thumbnail design in a week was a wonderful and important journey because my videos weren't getting many views, and I really want these thumbnails to be successful so I can improve my terrible tools. So please subscribe to be one of the first people to try my game. Anyway, see you in the next video, and goodbye.